Okay guys, we're here, Dana Point Harbor. I think today we're going to hit the beach. Let's see how that goes. It's low, it's high tide. It's actually dropping down. It started, I think high tide was probably about 6 a.m. So we lost a couple of feet of water. It's outgoing tide. We'll hit the beach for a little bit and then go deeper, maybe hit the wall on the way back in. Let's see what we could find today. Okay, let's see what they have today. Last time it was anchovies and sardines, about 4 inches. Let's see what they have today. Oh, that was our wake-up call. Alright guys, getting ready to close into the beach. I'm looking at this bobber way out in the middle of nowhere. Let's see if we can pick it up, get it out of the water. And who knows what's on the bottom of it. Let's see if I can even get to it. What is this thing? Shit, hurry, hurry, hurry. Back into it. Here we go. Alright guys. We'll get this out of the water. Alright, so we got a small swell. But the problem is, it gets a little powerful right where I want to fish in the zone. So we're probably gonna stick around out here a little bit. Here, look, you can see how that's working out. Can't get into the zone. All right, guys. So we're gonna have to ride over these. Can't get any closer to the beach, so this is gonna have to do. Okay. This feels like the right kind. Guys, I think this is a nice halibut. Guys, this feels like the right kind. We got to get out of this wake though. Oh, damn it, it's a guitar fish. Damn it. Well, I thought we were going to start the day out right, but hey, the skunk's off the boat. The skunk is off. Let's just get this guy up here. Huh, funny. All right, guys. Just gonna shake it off. Just like Taylor Swift. All right, guys, it's been a little slow over here. Can't get in the zone. I'm gonna head back onto the wall, but I just wanted to talk to you about what I've been using. Everybody keeps asking me this. I don't really change it up much. Just a simple knocker rig, 1/2 ounce slotting 8 sinker bead, and 1/0 circle hook, light circle hook. And then, let me just throw this one away. And then on this rod, it's just a reverse dropper loop with another 1/2 ounce torpedo sinker this time, and another 1/0 circle hook. That's it. There you go. You see people having, these birthday parties. Everybody loves Mylar balloons, but when you're done with them, they belong in the trash, not on the ocean. So if you see these, get them off the ocean, throw them in the trash when you get back to the dock. The end, see? That was it. small. Looks like we got a halibut latching on here. I have a jack mackerel on here. It's really small. We're gonna let this fish eat the bait. We're gonna eat it. Let's let this fish eat. All right, here we go. Another small halibut right here. That was a big bait for that small halibut. No trap hook. Let's get this fish here. Let's get the fish in the boat. A really small halibut. It was a bigger bait than I would expect it to eat. Oh, Barracuda, really? Really? Look at this. Little Barracuda. Huh. I guess the water must be warming up. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you guys agree with me, but I think Barracuda has a nasty smell. Halibut have their own little odor, but as far as Barracuda goes, I think they smell pretty crappy. What's your opinion? Put it in the comments. I'd like to hear it. Go for it. There we go. Finally. Okay, spotty. First bass of the day is a small spotty, but you know what? We'll take it. Okay, it's a start. Snap a quick picture and release it. There we go. Okay. Another small halibut, guys, but that's okay. It's been a slow day and we'll take what we can get. Here we go, guys. Oh, finally a nice spot. Let's run in on this side. Oh, decent spotty. Look at that. Not bad. Look at that. Got another spotty. We'll take it. Okay, the spotty hit really nice. Hit pretty hard. Not bad. Decent sized chunk. Say hi to the camera. Okay guys, just to give you a summary. I picked up some bait at the bait barge, and they were probably 4-inch, maybe 5-inch sardines. They were pretty beaten up. They didn't really last the whole day, but I had enough to get the job done, I guess, and come out here and catch some fish. The beach, you know, I couldn't get in the zone. We had a couple of rollers coming in, and it was just a pain to stay where I wanted to. And, you know, basically it was a pain to stay in position, or even go into the zone and fish it the way I wanted to. So I came back out and went to the long jetty, and it turned out to be a scratch and pick bite. But I did get some halibut. They were small. I caught some spotted bay bass. Some of them were decent size, and I caught a stray barracuda, hooked up another one, and I got it, caught my other line, something like that. It kind of broke off. And that's pretty much it. The day started out a little bit misty, a little bit windy, but it cleared up here. It's about noon, heading back in, and we're going to try it again next time. I'm hoping like pelagics start coming in closer. I want to get out of the harbor here. You know, I've been fishing this spot for such a long time. It's been really good to me. I want to, you know, I want to get to the beach. You know, I want to hit that. I want to go down the beach. I want to go offshore a little bit. I want to go up north, look for some sheephead. I want to go offshore, go to the pipe. There's a lot of things I'd like to do, but you know, it's just going to depend on the conditions. For instance, like today, it didn't really call for the surf to be that high, you know, with those rollers. So there are a couple of reefs off the beach where they kind of break early, so you got to be careful. But we'll get back out here, and you know, hopefully they'll have a little bit better bait, and some, you know, things will come together. All right, you guys, we'll see you next time.